Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is very special day because I'm going to harvest the very first crops of this summer. Actually, this is Pak Choi, so they are mature enough to be harvested. As you can see, they're looking very healthy, and I'm going to harvest them today. In fact, this is the first ever harvest of this summer 2021. As you can see, they are very healthy. Actually, I have germinated those Pak Choi back in at the middle of March. Then by the second week of May, I brought them here to the ground to be replanted, and as I said, by the middle of May I planted them here on the ground, and after that I didn't do much. Actually, I just did the watering. Now that's how they look like, and they became mature to be harvested. As you can see here, they're looking very healthy and nice. And in fact, this is the first year of growing Pak Choi, because I have never grown Pak Choi before. They are really nice and crunchy, tasty vegetables, leafy vegetables, as you can see, with big juicy stem. So if you want to grow Pak Choi, you can sow the seed straight away to the ground right now, because in summer you don't have to germinate the seed in the seedling tray, because the temperature is warm enough to grow the Pak Choi straight away to the ground. So all you have to do is prepare the ground, then sow the seed half an inch deep inside the ground and water them. They should come out within 4 or 5 days, because they grow very fast in right time if the temperature is right and if you water them. But one important thing is, if you grow Pak Choi, you have to cover them with the netting, otherwise the bird will eat them up. As you can see, those compared to those big one, they are quite some small. Though this tree looks very small because they have been eaten up by the bird, because I didn't get a chance to cover them up by using the net because I was too busy. So if you grow Pak Choi, you have to make sure that you are covering them up with the net, otherwise the bird will eat them up. As I said, as you can see here, these three have been eaten up by the bird, and they have been recovering again, and those two here as well, and those three here as well. But luckily most of them have survived. The bird has eaten just 4 or 5 out of those 20 or 30, I guess. I have planted 30, we nearly 30 plants here. As you can see, they are fully mature, so I'm going to harvest them today. So growing Pak Choi is very easy. As you can see here, actually, I have planted them in between the tomatoes, because the Pak Choi on the ground, because I have germinated them in the sitting tray, so within a month and a half they could be harvested on the ground. That's why I planted them in between the tomatoes. So now they are already ready. As I said, now I brought them up here by the middle of May, and today is 14th of June. So they are already ready to be harvested, and I'm going to harvest them today. So it's not going to cause any harm in terms of a space to the tomatoes. So the tomatoes should be fine. That space should be free up today. So as I said, if you want to grow Pak Choi right now, this is the right time. It will be much easier, because you don't have to grow them indoors in the propagator tray. You can plant them straight away to the ground, as I said, just half an inch deep, and water them. They will shoot out very soon because the temperature is perfect right now. So this is the harvest of Pak Choi today. I have picked out 1, 2, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. One in my hand. So as you can see here, just 6 Pak Choi. I think it should be sufficient to serve 4 or 5 portions. As you can see, they are looking very, very healthy and looks very nice as well. See how they have grown, how healthy and fleshy they look like. They're looking so nice, beautiful. So if you have got any question regarding Pak Choi, please leave your question in the comment section below. I will come up with the answer. And if you like the video, please share with others and press the like button. And if you are new to the channel, please press the subscribe button. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.